It's never fun having to make a tough decision. It can be hard when we're afraid of making the wrong choice, or if we want both options. But if we don't make a decision, we've decided not to choose, which really means we've chosen nothing. And no one wants that. So when we are given a choice, it's important that we actually make a decision, since both options are good. But how do we decide what to choose? Tough decisions happen to everyone. But by practicing decision-making with smaller decisions, it's not so tough when big decisions come along. One of the easiest ways to decide which choice is better for you is to list what you like and what you don't like about each option. When you come up with the good things, called pros, and bad things, cons, you can pick the option with more pros or the one with fewer cons. Though all of your decisions may not be perfect, the more you practice, the easier the decision-making will get.